These boxes are full of goodies that I pulled from many different police cars, from many different departments. In this video, we will unbox 3 police equipment mystery boxes. Each cost $100. There is a link in the description where you can get yours. Most of them are complete mysteries, but just for the fun of the video, I'm going to show you what's in these 3. Start with box number 1. And box number 1 includes Chasey Poo. Hi, Chasey Poo. Chase is such a good boy. I got something for you, Chase. Alright. First box includes a California license plate for rib, Ford emblem from one of the police cars, a cell phone I found in one of the police cars. We have a Whelen Talon. Let's find out what colors these are. What was that? Let's connect that. And hey, look, they are amber. You can change patterns with that. I like this pattern though. Now that will go perfect with this Colt 3 Microcom 2. Oh, that's the brain. And here is the head unit. So it's got the whale, the yelp, high-low, air horn, all that good stuff. And this thing is super loud. So that's why I got a CPI siren speaker right here to handle all that. And here's a CB radio with the microphone to go with that. And you're definitely gonna need a headlight flasher. And you can add these Whelen Hideaway. These are red and white. Let me demonstrate them for you. The white ones work, and the other ones are red. Chase, don't look, it's too bright for you. And of course, you gotta have your dash camera, a compass, an antenna, some stickers. We got some speed loaders for our revolver, a Whelen ion light. I think there's 2 of them in here. And the ion lights are red and blue. How cool is that? Of course, there is brand new engraved autograph handcuffs with 2 keys. And I will add whatever I can stuff in this box. All right, now let's go to box number 2. No, Chase, don't attack me. California license plate. The hood, yeah, that's what that is. This pain is temporary, glory is forever. A flare gun, in case you ever get lost out at sea.
Okay, funny man volunteered to get shot by a flare. Woo!
There will be no ammo, of course. We got a Kenwood radio speaker. This is for inside. Do not attempt to hook up your siren box to this because it will blow this out. We have a Steady Burn red Whelen light. Demonstrate that for you. This thing is so cool. I was gonna put this on my new movie car, but the light bar that's going in the new movie car already has a built-in Steady Burn feature, which I could activate by pushing this button over here. There we go. Steady Burn red. A Federal Signal ES 100. This So this is what you want to hook up your siren box to. Is a Code 3 Micro Com 2. Here's the head unit for it. Same as the other. Well, Yelp, high-low, air horn. Headlight flasher. This is actually a Roadrunner relay flasher. And you have a Whelen traffic advisor. Hey, what are you trying? No, you cannot eat that. Oh no. Here, have a marshmallow. These are also red and blue. And you got an ID scanner or any barcode really. Antenna, fingerprint, autographed handcuffs, and we have white and amber lights you can hook up just about anywhere. Chase, the marshmallow is for you to eat, not a ball to play with. Box number 3, look at this thing, it's so stuffed it doesn't even want to close all the way. And looks like it's a bit oily, rag fell on it, so I'm gonna have to replace this box. Homeland Security Guidebook. Magazine pouch, I think, by Bianchi. 2 LED lights. So I'm gonna have to test them out. Oh, what? Red? Red? What the heck? I was not expecting that. Let's check the other one. And you guessed it, blue. Alright, let's light them both up. There you go. Your traditional red and blue. Tourniquet case, GPS antenna. Oh, I can't believe I am including this Whelen PA. It's got all the classic sounds, and this one has been tuned. It has the California tone option. I'm gonna miss this thing. I was gonna put this on the new movie car, but I think I'm gonna stick with the Delta. It's the mic. I got this Federal Signal siren speaker right here to go with it. Whelen hideaway lights. These are red and blue. Autographed handcuffs. Some LED lights. Headlight flashers. ID scanner. And I'm going to try to make as much space as possible, and I will try to squeeze in as many things as I could. Now, don't be stupid. These are just for entertainment or off-road use only. Don't go out there and putting it on your car, trying to pull people over. Don't be an idiot. You're not fooling anybody. And don't blame me, okay? Seriously, there was a guy out there who got arrested for impersonating and was literally trying to put the blame on me. I had the sheriff show up to my house. It was ridiculous. What the heck is he doing? Make sure you hit me with that thumbs up. If not for me, do it for Chase. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm getting hit by rocks.